We got there Sunday night after a delayed flight. I think we were 6 hours late. Next morning, they came to pick us up bright and early. I think we got to the hospital at 8.
Generally in Kenya, healthcare is expensive and not everyone has access to healthcare due to so many reasons, maybe lack of money, maybe bad roads, some people don't have access to hospitals.
We've basically made a spectral X-ray detector. What's useful about the spectral X-ray is that with one exposure, you're able to get a conventional X-ray image, a bone window, and a soft tissue window.
Spectral DR is the first and only single exposure dual energy portable solution.
This allows you to differentiate materials in the body, and that allows you to get information that conventionally you would need a CT for.
There's a huge positive impact on this machine. They will reduce the number of referrals to that far end of the.
This technology is mind-blowing, it's amazing. Let me just start with that. You get a patient, we do a chest X-ray, there's a problem with the chest, but we don't really know what the problem is. So we need a CT scan. But now when you tell a patient that you need around 12,000 to 15,000 to get a CT scan of the chest, and that person is even struggling to get that 1,000 to do a chest X-ray, well, most patients just go home and just wait to die. So with such technology, I think we'll help the community in a big, big way.
They found a TB patient on the first day. And then they found another 6 while we were still in Kenya. And all of them have been referred for Gene Expert.
Previously, we had to travel long distances to access X-ray services, but now we are very thankful that this machine has come to this hospital, as we will now receive these services in the best possible conditions. The doctors will now be able to solve problems that brought me to this hospital, allowing me to receive treatment accordingly.
This image is beautiful because that's your X-ray room on wheels. You can do whatever you want and take images as needed. Move it around, super portable, comes with an AI, comes with decision-making support. It doesn't get more compact and efficient than this.
Key Imaging was founded with a vision to bring cutting-edge, innovative X-ray technology all across the world. And to me, this is a first step showing us realizing that vision, bringing spectral X-ray to Kenya.
It represents the beginning of many more opportunities for us to bring our detector, the Reveal detector, to communities in Africa and Asia. Having such an advanced technology, I think it's really the beginning of so much impact that can be made in the world.
I'm loving it already, and I can't wait to work with this. I can't wait to let the community know that the machine they've been waiting for is here, and we can begin work. Can't wait. I'm just looking forward to a brighter future for us.